It's easy. Alphabet. A, nursery rhyme. A is an apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, we bounce on the bed. C is for cat, so fluffy and sweet. D is for dog, with 4 little feet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for goat that says mama. H is for hat, hurrah, hurrah. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for juice, with sugar and ice. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, jumping on trees. N is for nest, swaying in breeze. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for pencil, to learn and write. Q is for queen, with crown so bright. R is for rainbow, colorful light. S is for sun, shining all day. T is for train, chugging away. U is for umbrella, for rain